evening, and thank you for joining us. We start tonight with some very significant decisions by the U.S. Supreme Court. A mixed pair of rulings that will directly impact nearly 100 million Americans. The court's conservative majority says the Biden administration does not have the authority to impose a vaccine or test rule on private companies, but it does have the ability to mandate COVID shots for most health workers. President Biden says he was disappointed by the decision to, quote, block common sense requirements for large businesses, but that keeping the rule for doctors, nurses, and others who work in settings that receive federal aid will save lives. The decisions come as the U.S. is facing a surge in new cases and record hospitalizations. As we come on the air, nearly 63% of Americans are fully vaccinated. CBS's Meg Oliver joins us with all of the day's developments. Good evening, Meg.
Norah, good evening. We have new details about those rulings, and the news comes as President Biden announced new resources for hospitals facing staffing issues like this one. And the administration will buy 500 million more COVID-19 at-home tests for Americans.
Tonight, a blow to the Biden administration as COVID cases careen out of control across the U.S. The Supreme Court blocking the president's plan to require employees at large private companies to be vaccinated or test weekly for COVID. But the court is allowing the mandate for most healthcare workers. This comes as the president called in the military today to help overwhelmed hospitals in 6 states survive the surge.
If you're unvaccinated, if they test positive, you are 17 times more likely to get hospitalized. As a result, they're crowding our hospitals, leaving little room for anyone else who might have a heart attack or an injury in an automobile accident.
Today marked the highest 7-day average for hospitalizations since the pandemic began. And in New Jersey, hospitalizations are up more than 320% compared to this time last month. At University Hospital in Newark, more than 300 workers are out. While patients continue to stream in, nearly half are infected with COVID. 17 of them are on ventilators.
How dire is your staffing shortage?
It's extremely dire right now. It's really bad, and being transparent with the public, but I'm also being transparent with my staff.
23 military medics will arrive here next week to help out for a month.
Risk of rationing care, the risk of losing even more hospital staff every day, all of that does keep me up at night.
1 out of every 5 hospitals has a critical staffing shortage nationwide, and 6 states report an ICU capacity of less than 10%.
You've reached the breaking point.
I really do think so. I think our nurses who have been working for weeks on end, and our doctors and our support staff really are at the limit.
There is a glimmer of hope. Over the last 4 days here, Dr. Elnahal says cases have leveled off, but the severe staffing shortages could last several weeks, if not months. Norah?
Thinking of our healthcare workers, Meg Oliver, thanks.